Asian shares received mixed lead from Wall Street when the U.S. market closed flat Friday after better-than-expected retail sales and slightly lower consumer sentiment data. Asian markets also closed mixed Friday, with Japan's Nikkei 0.8% higher, led by Japanese exporters. But Shanghai and Hong Kong markets dropped as banks and mainland-based real estate shares were hit with concerns over policy tightening amid rising inflation, and the Shanghai Composite fell to a nearly 3-week low. In company news, Japanese battery and electric car maker BYD announced that its 2009 net profit jumped significantly from last year due to sharp growth in car sales. The company said its net profit for the 12 months ending December 31st rose 271.5% from 1.02 billion to 3.79 billion won. China National Offshore Oil Corp has agreed to form a joint venture with Argentina's Bridas Energy Holdings for $3.1 billion US to boost its oil production and reserves. CNOOC said the deal enables the mainland's biggest offshore oil producer to expand its international footprint into Latin America and other countries. Bridas will become equally owned by the partners, and the transaction is expected to boost CNOOC's reserves and average daily production by 318 million barrels of oil equivalent and 46,000 barrels of oil equivalent, respectively. Japanese steelmaker JFE Steel may pick up a 14% stake in India's JSW Steel for about 39 billion Indian rupee and could buy JSW shares at 1,500 rupee per share. The two companies entered into a strategic agreement last November, primarily focused on auto-use steel. The Japanese government is considering separating Nippon Telegraph and telephone fiber optic businesses into a new company. The move is part of the government's effort to spread the use of high-speed broadband.